Good afternoon, my name is Dayan Ferreira. Today I will tell you about the visit to the Salitre Mágico with my family. My family and have visited the Salitre Mágico. I played in different games but nothing compared to the attraction center. Although we have not found time to attend previously, we have enjoyed every moment on this side. We have found its impact attention to have changed your mind about the level of extreme adrenaline you can feel. We find the flagship and supercharged and centers. In each part we have all experience and emotion. Thank you very much.